Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study Ielts books. First, familiarize yourself with the test structure, including the 4 sections: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Knowing the scoring system helps you target areas for improvement. Next, select official Cambridge Ielts preparation books, as they contain genuine past exam papers. Finally, create a study timetable, dedicating specific times each day or week to different skills. This structured approach ensures comprehensive coverage and steady progress. For the listening section, practice with different accents and improve your note-taking. Try to predict answers before listening. In reading, focus on skimming and scanning techniques to quickly locate information in academic and general training texts. Expand your vocabulary daily. For writing, study model answers for Task 1 and Task 2, understanding their structure and coherence. Practice writing under timed conditions to build speed. Regularly complete full Ielts practice tests, strictly adhering to the time limits for each section. This simulates the actual exam environment and helps manage your time effectively. After each test, meticulously review all your answers, especially incorrect ones, to understand your mistakes. Pay close attention to grammar and vocabulary. Seek constructive feedback on your speaking and writing from experienced tutors or study partners to refine your skills. On test day, stay calm and confident. Practice relaxation techniques to manage any anxiety. Remember, consistent preparation is key to success. Beyond your study books, explore reputable online resources for additional practice exercises and tips. Many websites offer free materials and mock tests. Also, check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers that make meal prep a breeze, along with other helpful deals. Good luck with your Ielts journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.